Drop it. Hey, drop it. Good boy. This is just to show that we were staying within the property boundaries right here. Trigger's off gallivanting around like always. But we stayed at least 2 to 3 feet back from the property lines, trying to keep this as much on my property as possible. I don't want it to stray onto the neighbor's land at all. So, as you can see here, we're well back. Well, the fence we're going to put up here real soon. Hopefully this will be all done and cleaned up here pretty quick. So this tree coming up right here, this is on my property line. It's well within my property line. It grows up and over on the property line, but we wanted to make sure and leave it so that there was no question. I mean, it's definitely right there on the border, so it's a questionable tree, but as you can see, it's clearly on my line, on my property. Those logs that Glenn paid him 3 years ago to take down on Glenn's property, he took them and put them on his property at the border. Those are not his logs, but he's claiming them. I didn't argue with him. We don't want to fight. Property line. No trees on his property were harmed at all. Glenn is the man that bought my upper 5 acres from me, and he's the one that's trying to get his home in. Now we're getting started on the pad for the manufactured home to come in. Got Scott out here grading away. He's just making this level. We're cutting a little 60-foot by 20-foot pad that he'll come back and do some gravel on in a few. This RV over here, we're going to end up moving it out of the way. They need it cleared for the manufactured home to get in here. Trying to make this as easy for them as possible, where they can just come in wide, sweeping up the mountainside and back her right into place. We're putting in the water line here. We wanted to get this down before the gravel's brought out, so we're going to dig it up later. So I brought some black pipe up from my property and just going to stub it in so it's ready to go. Water line going in. Should be good and out of the way. We tried starting this thing up and it caught fire, so use the skid steer to move it.
You're easy to fool.
I'm easy to fool? Looks good. Scott's got the compactor out here, the roller, so that as they lay this gravel down, they'll hit it with the skid steer, get it flat, and then roll over it with this roller. Make it nice and smooth and compact. So small now, almost gone. Oh, this is nice and set up. It's good and firm. There's our step out for the water line. Going there, so it'll connect way over there to the well, right there in the distance. We'll come back to here.
Good job, Glenn, rednecking it up. You've already got your first broke down vehicle before you got your home up here.
Well, they're trying to get the manufactured home in, and the tree was not taken out, and the neighbor is not being cooperative. Stay tuned.